Hey there, Profitify community. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey into the realm of Google Maps, where every click could potentially lead to extra cash in your pocket. Get ready to discover the untapped wealth waiting to be unlocked. Imagine this. You're navigating the streets of your city, searching for the quickest route to your destination. But what if I told you that your exploration on Google Maps could be more than just finding directions? It's time to explore the lucrative possibilities. So, how exactly can you turn your navigation app into a source of income? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Become a local guide. Ever notice those helpful reviews and insightful photos while browsing Google Maps? Well, many of those are contributed by local guides, ordinary users like you and me. By sharing your knowledge of local businesses, attractions, and hidden gems, you not only help others, but also earn points and perks from Google. It's like being a digital tour guide for your community, with rewards. The more you contribute, whether it's writing reviews, uploading photos, or correcting information, the higher your local guide level. And with each level, you unlock exciting benefits, from early access to new features, to exclusive events, and even Google Drive storage perks. It's a win-win. Step 2. Optimize your business listing. If you're a business owner, pay close attention to this step. Creating a Google My Business listing is crucial for boosting your visibility and attracting more customers. Think of it as your digital storefront on Google Maps. Make sure to fill out all the relevant details: your business name, address, phone number, and hours of operation. Don't forget to add high-quality photos that showcase your products or services. After all, a picture is worth 1,000 words. By optimizing your business listing, you increase your chances of appearing in local searches on Google Maps, driving more traffic to your business. Step 3. Explore advertising opportunities. Ready to take your earnings to the next level? Consider exploring advertising opportunities on Google Maps. Whether you want to promote your business with local ads or leverage location-based targeting to reach potential customers, there are plenty of options available. From sponsored pins that highlight your business location to promoted search results that appear at the top of relevant queries, advertising on Google Maps can help drive traffic to your business and increase your revenue. Just remember to set your budget wisely and track your performance to ensure you're getting the best return on investment. And there you have it, Profitify Fam, a comprehensive guide to earning money from Google Maps. So what are you waiting for? Start navigating your way to success today.